Hello friends! Nice to see you again. Welcome to Momo's Happy Kitchen. Let's have fun and start our easy cooking journey together. Today we are going to fried rice with mala sauce and imitation crab sticks. This fried rice is savory with mala and imitation crab sticks tastes, and it's delicious. It's simple to make and suitable for most people's tastes. YouTube. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can, please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. Let's start cooking. Ingredients are overnight rice, corn kernels and imitation crab sticks, cubes imitation crab stick, pour overnight rice into bowl. One teaspoon light soy sauce. 1 teaspoon oyster sauce. Mix well. Stir-fry chopped garlic until fragrant. Add rice and stir-fry. One tablespoon mala paste. Corn kernels and imitation crab sticks. One teaspoon pepper powder. fried rice. Delicious mala crab stick fried rice is done. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. I like Easy Recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? There is also a bilingual version of my recipe, Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. There are more delicious, easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.